Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the temperature sensor in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a flathead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and wire cutters. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the freezer drawer and use the small flathead screwdriver to pry the left slide rail tab away from the liner, enough to release the drawer stop. Do the same to release the right drawer stop. With the stops out, you can fully remove the upper drawer. Next, use the 1/4-inch nut driver to loosen the 2 screws securing the drawer front. Lift the drawer front off the drawer glides and set it aside. You can now lift the lower drawer up and squeeze the sides in to release it from the glides. Use the flathead screwdriver to help pry apart the shaft retainer clip so you can slide it to the left. You can now lift the shaft up and out. Depress the retaining tab to release the temperature sensor cover from the evaporator access panel. Detach the sensor from the cover. Use the wire cutters to cut the sensor wires to remove the old component. You're now ready to prepare the new temperature sensor for installation. Remove the retaining clip from the sensor. Strip off a 1/4 inch of insulation from the new sensor wires. Now cut the existing wire's insulation down the middle so you can separate the 2 wires. Strip off a 1/4 inch of insulation. Join the new sensor wires to the existing wires and twist the wires together. Place the provided wire nuts over each connected wire and crimp the nuts to secure. Snap the new sensor into place in the cover, then align and snap the cover into place on the access panel. Confirm the shaft retainer clip is on the shaft. Insert the left end of the shaft into the left side gear. Position the right end of the shaft in the right side gear and snap the retainer clip into place to secure. Reinstall the drawer by aligning it on the glides, making sure the rear hooks are secured under the glides. Then set the drawer in place. Reposition the drawer front on the glides and tighten the screws. Reinstall the upper freezer drawer by aligning the rear rollers on the track and the front rollers on the lower drawer, then push the drawer in. Snap both drawer stops into place to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.